Welcome back everyone. I am back with another outdoor barbecue video in which we'll make harissa chicken. This recipe is full of flavor with quick marinade made of warm spices and hot pepper. You can find harissa as a paste in a jar, but I make it myself fresh in my kitchen in 2 minutes, and store-bought harissa can never beat homemade fresh taste. So let's get started. We'll start by crushing dry spices first, then we'll add garlic and peppers. Add a teaspoon of Carrom seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Grind these 3 seeds together to make a powder, then we'll add fresh garlic and hot peppers. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. One tablespoon of smoked paprika and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Blend them together to make a paste, and our harissa is ready. I have taken 6 chicken thighs and sprinkle some salt on chicken to coat the pieces. Next we'll add the marinade and coat all the pieces evenly. Let it rest in refrigerator overnight to get maximum flavor out of it. I am using a fire pit to cook the chicken. You can also do it on barbecue or oven. Now let's place the skewers and start cooking. Keep on flipping the skewers to avoid burning. Here I have sliced one zucchini lengthwise, added some olive oil, salt and black pepper, and some lemon juice to grill along with the chicken. You can also use mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, or any vegetable of your choice to go along with the chicken. We have started to get beautiful char on this chicken. Serve over onion rings and lemon slices. Do try this recipe and please let me know in the comment section how was it. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.